Bake like a pro. Dairy-free cinnamon streusel coffee cake from Daisy's Kitchen. Hey, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best recipes to satisfy your sweet tooth. I'm excited to share today's delicious treat with you, Daisy's free cinnamon streusel coffee cake. It's the perfect way to start your day or enjoy it as an indulgent snack. So, grab your aprons, and let's get baking. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss any of our mouthwatering recipes. And if you're already part of our amazing community, thank you for your continued support. Ingredients for the streusel topping. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 cup packed brown sugar. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/2 cup dairy-free margarine or coconut oil, melted. Ingredients for the cake. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup dairy-free margarine or coconut oil, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 cup applesauce. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup dairy-free milk, such as almond milk or oat milk. Dairy-free powdered sugar, for dusting, optional. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan or line it with parchment paper for easier removal. In a medium bowl, prepare the streusel topping by combining the flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and ground cinnamon. Stir well to combine. Add the melted dairy-free margarine or coconut oil and mix until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Set aside. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a large bowl, cream together the softened dairy-free margarine or coconut oil and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the applesauce. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the dairy-free milk. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing just until combined. Be careful not to overmix. Pour half of the batter into the prepared cake pan. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping evenly over the batter. Spoon the remaining batter on top and spread it evenly. Finally, sprinkle the remaining streusel topping over the batter. Bake in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, you can dust the cake with dairy-free powdered sugar if desired. And that's a wrap on our Daisy's free cinnamon streusel coffee cake recipe. I hope you enjoyed this delightful treat as much as we did. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let us know what you think. Did you make any personal twists or modifications? We love hearing about your creative ideas. If you want more scrumptious recipes like this one, make sure to check out our channel for a variety of desserts, pastries, and more. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends who have a passion for baking. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.